Hey there, Excel enthusiasts. Today, I'm going to show you how to create tables in Microsoft Excel, and you'll see just how easy it is. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, tables can make your life a whole lot simpler. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up Excel and load your spreadsheet. Got it? Great. Now, highlight the range of cells that you want to include in your table. Done? Awesome. Next, head over to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. You'll see a button that says Table. Click it. A dialog box will pop up, and guess what? It automatically detects the range of cells you highlighted. Just make sure the box that says, My table has headers is checked if your data includes headers. Then click OK. Ta-da! You've just created a table. But wait, there's more. Notice the new Table Tools Design tab that appears? That's your best friend for customizing your table. Here you can change the table style, add or remove rows and columns, and even filter your data. One of my favorite features is the ability to sort and filter data with just a couple of clicks. Click on the drop-down arrows in the header row to sort your data alphabetically, numerically, or by date. You can also filter out specific entries. Super handy, right? Now let's talk about adding new data. When you enter new data in a row immediately below your table, Excel automatically expands the table to include the new row. No need to manually adjust the range. So convenient. And here's a pro tip for you. Use Total Row to quickly calculate sums, averages, and more. Simply go to the Table Tools Design tab and check the Total Row box. A new row will appear at the bottom of your table with drop-down menus in each cell. Select the calculation you need, and Excel does the rest. So, there you have it. Creating tables in Excel is a breeze and can save you tons of time and effort. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy Excelling. Subtitles. Creating tables in Excel is easy. Highlight your cells, click Insert, then Table. Customize using Table Tools Design, sort, filter, and auto-expand your table. Use Total Row for quick calculations like subscribe and enjoy.